this video, I want to show you how to create safety culture survey. First, you need to click extensions, Google Form, and load form template. And now you can search safety culture survey. After you found it, just click the template and load selected template. And now you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings too. You just need to refresh the page and then click Google Form and get link. And then just click continue and choose your account. And here click advance and then go to Google Form and now click allow. And you will get the link like this. Just copy it all and paste it into your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. But you can also change the questions or anything in the form. Like for example, I want to insert new row here. For example, I use question type text and just copy the questions and change it into name, for example, and go to your form and it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change into date too, and don't forget to change the text too, for example date, and it will show it the form like this, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Also, you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear like this. Also, go to settings to change the background color of your form. Like pick any color that you want. It will change easily like this. Also, I want to give an example. Here I want to insert new style for the title, mark behavior. Just follow the step and type the code. For example, scroll amount I use 25 here, and don't forget to close the code here like /mark. And now go to your form and the title will moving like this. Thank you.